Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. What am I doing now besides playing with my German Shepherd puppy? Hey, it's the battery issue. I cannot believe on my 2022 Indian Challenger Elite Series, I already have a battery problem. And this motorcycle sat on a battery tender from June of 2022 through August of 2022. And then I put it in storage for 45 days. That's correct. 45 days. The battery's dead. I can't get the battery tender to charge it. The battery's dead. It's beyond believable. And here I am now on another Indian. I think Indian had a really bad run on their batteries, because here's my 2022 Indian Chief Bobber. Same thing. The thing stayed in a battery tender for 90% of the time, and the battery went bad. What the heck is going on? So here is my project. I got to take the battery out of this motorcycle, and this is a little different because on the Indian Challenger, the battery is mounted down below, here below the radiator, and really unique. First time I've ever owned a motorcycle where it's not typically here underneath the main seat, because every other motorcycle in the shop, the battery is underneath the seat. The Chief, the battery is underneath the seat. The Honda Goldwing, the battery is under the seat. The Honda CB650, the battery's tucked up underneath there between all of that. The Scout, or I should say the Indian, I can't even keep track. The Indian Pursuit over here, that's the Challenger, same thing. The battery will be up in front here, and here's the Harley Davidson Street Bob. Battery is in between, is under the seat. So, all right, so what I figured out is a 6mm ratchet will get this Allen screw out, and watch. So one nice thing about tools is get the power tools, okay? Get up in here and get your little ratchet right here, and one hand should probably do it. See that? That's there. Wow, that's a long screw. Look how long that screw is. Let's get the next one here without getting my, ooh, that's not good. So let's not damage the fender here. And same thing. This now should just pop right open. Ooh, and what am I doing to myself? Okay, so here's the battery. Now we take off the front battery, I guess, bracket. See here? 6mm Allen screw. Same thing. This is supposed to just slide out like this or something. Oh, is there one over here? No, it's supposed to just pull out, I guess. I've never done this before. Let me look a little harder here before I get too crazy. So what you do here is you got to pull your front little shroud here for your radiator out from this. Then this just slides out. Now here's the battery, and once we disconnect the negative, but see here for me, yeah, I guess you don't really have to get this out of here per se. But anyways, let's see what we got here. All right, let's see if I can be smarter than the motorcycle, right? I got my little right-hand angle thing here, and I don't know if that's going to work or not, because I don't think it is. See, borderline, this stuff's just so tight. Well, you know what I can do? I can pull this battery out. Hold on here a second. Right, got the dogs. Hey, I've got Chris and Shannon came over. Isn't that nice of them? And hey, so I got the battery out. And yes, you can do this without taking this shroud out. Get creative. Just pull this battery out away from here. Pull it out, little manhandling muscle there. But then if you got a right hand drill like I do, you can take these terminals off and then put all the screws back in so your little fittings don't fall out. And then take your battery to the Indian dealer and tell them, hey, I want a new battery. You put a test on it, and they probably will. So anyways, hope this video helps you learn how to take your battery out of your Indian Challenger and maybe make your life a little easier without taking it to the dealership. Having the right tools makes it easy. 6mm. And you can take this shroud out. Hey, Pops, no, you don't need to, though. So, hey, thanks for watching Ice Age TV.